Okay, we're going to make the ivory soap grow in the microwave, and then we're going to attempt to make some little individual soaps with that and the dye. So you need your ivory soap, only ivory soap, no other soap. Your any kind of dye, some cookie cutters. You will need a mixer and a measuring cup. So, and then you'll need a plate.
And definitely a microwave. And you need water.
But we'll have to add water to the mixture here in a minute. So we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it ready to.
You have to have a microwave.
Gonna get it ready to put in the microwave first. Okay. Now we're going to take the ivory soap. And like I said, make sure it's ivory. Just put it in the center of your plate, and then we are going to put it in the microwave, and hopefully we'll be able to watch this. Set it for 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
So we're going to watch.
It's already growing a little bit. No, it's not. Oh no, it's not. Oh, it's growing. What the frick? Whoa! Oh, I can smell it. Me too. It looks like shaving cream. Mom is getting off of the plate. Mom is getting off. Not good.
It's fine. That's what it's gonna do.
Okay. Whoa! What the heck is this? This is weird. How is this gonna fit all in the microwave? Oh, is this how they make shaving cream?
So it's been about a minute and it's already over.
I thought that was steam.
It's overflowing the
Mom,
microwave.
is that how they make shaving cream?
Don't think so.
Mom.
Uh-oh, it's stuck there.
You need to get it out.
It's still growing. It looks like it's pretty much the whole entire
Mom, we need to get it
microwave. Still moving.
Oh,
Look,
it's still moving.
It's still moving.
It does not smell very good. It still has 39 seconds. Holy crap.
Yeah. So we're at 39 seconds
Mom,
and it's still going.
This is ripped off of it.
Looks like the plate's still moving under it. Whew.
It moved.
There we go. Look at that.
It's gonna get stuck again. Okay, we only have 19 seconds left. That is actually cool. But I don't recommend
But
smelling it, so you should
the air pockets in ivory soap is what makes it
smells bad.
expand. Other soaps will sink in water. Ivory will float. So let's see what our.
I want to touch it.
It does look like shaving cream, but hang on, let's get it out first. Weird. Oh my goodness!
Let's get the plate. Does it feel like foam?
It looks weird. Just feels like a foam.
Touch it.
It looks like a big old thing of snow.
Touch it. Whoa! It's hot. It's like, Mom, look, it burnt.
Yeah, it did a little bit.
It looks like
But it says don't break it up. If you're gonna do the cookie cutter, with the soap, don't break it up. You're just gonna put.
It's already broke up.
You're gonna take it and you're going to put just a little bit of water.
Yeah.
And I'll show you here in a minute.
What? How much?
Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of this mixture in here into the thing. And then we're going to put about, I don't know if it should even be about a half a cup. It might be a little less. So we're just going to put a little bit in there with it. Not even like a quarter. And then we're going to put our top on. And then we are going to mix it So let's see how this goes.
Mom, we have to move. This. I'm holding this now. Sounds like it farted.
Okay, so we did end up putting a little bit more of this, probably about half of it in here with about less than a half a cup of water. And then we blended it pretty well. And then you're going to get your
Cookie cutter.
cookie cutter
And a plate.
and a plate.
So, she's taking it out and putting it on the plate or inside the cookie cutter. It got on me.
It's going to be really sticky and
Goopy.
all right. So we do that. Fill it to about the top.
Yeah. Look.
All right, now, if you don't have popsicle sticks, it's fine. You can pretty much use anything. But he chose green.
Because green's my favorite color.
We're just going to put a couple drops in there.
That looks cool.
And honestly, I don't even think you need to mix it. I don't think we need to mix it. I think we just...
I want to mix it, though.
Well, you just want to get the top of it,
Yeah,
really.
I want to do it.
So just wipe the top. All right, when you get that done, you're going to let it sit for a little bit. Let it get a little hard, not too much, and so that you can pop it out of there, and then you'll have new soap. So we're going to try something a little different. We're going to we already mixed up most of it, and then we're going to take this dye. He chose red, so we're going to put it in with, in the blender and see if how that turns out. Alright, so I think that might be a better way to do it, is just mixing it
This was my
in
idea.
there with,
This was my idea. So, yeah.
and just, fill your
It's not coming out.
Cookie,
Cutter
up with it. And we'll show you the results. See how they turned out. So, just a fun activity for the kids to do. Quarantined. So, okay, so just to show you our finished product. This is the one that we just put the dye on the top after we put it in the cookie cutter. But it came out pretty well out of the cookie cutter. This one is of a lion. I mean, it was pretty easy, but you just have to be really careful taking it out of the cookie cutter. And then you just let them sit and dry. And then probably tomorrow they would probably be ready to use in the tub.